What's up, my friends? I'm Christy. I'm a mama six. It is Sunday. We're getting some cleaning done around the house. It is also kind of a chill kickback Sunday. The kids have some friends over. They're swimming in the backyard. I do a lot of these chill, realistic type of vlogs. So if that's your thing, I invite you to subscribe. Just got back from Costco getting some of the things that we needed. I'm going to show you really quick. Beef kebabs. These are going to be good for meal prep. Barbecued inspired beef skewers. We're going to barbecue on the beach this weekend. Chicken skewers are for my toddler's lunches. This is a way to get some protein in him, and he absolutely loves these. Boursin cheeses. We're going to make a yummy creamy pasta with cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, and sausage. Cucumbers, Brussels sprouts. We got some sushi, specifically California Crunch combo. Eggs. Drumsticks are so good to just throw on the grill. Seasoned St. Louis dry rub ribs. I buy these like 5 times every summer. These are a win in the crock pot, and they're amazing on the barbecue as well. Everything bagel and Asiago ones. Korean crunch salad. This is gonna go in my meal preps, and some salami. Romaine lettuce for some Korean lettuce wraps that we're gonna make tomorrow night. Lots of ground turkey for meal planning. I do mostly turkey and only a half a cup of rice with some broccoli or asparagus. Hey. And it's a really good high protein meal. Some splurges for the kids. These are gonna be my beach savior lunches for the kids with some fruit and chips on the side, and then some bite-sized pancakes. These are so good. My toddler loves them with strawberries and a little bit of whipped cream. Milk, pineapple, mushroom. These mini pizzas for a quick lunch. Steamed dumplings are fire, okay? So good. You like feel like you're really eating from a dim sum restaurant. These are so good. You like those? Let's show our friends, okay? And Dino Nuggies because they were $4 off. And what toddler doesn't like Dino Nuggies, right? No! So here's the plan for the day. It's Sunday. I've got a lot of kids swimming in my pool, so I'm just gonna hurry up and do this before I have to go supervise them. I'm gonna tidy the laundry room and the hallway because I built some beds and there's like little particles all over the place from the packaging, so I wanna get that done. Clean the counter in my laundry room because there's just a few things I need to put away. And I'm gonna do my office. I'm gonna do like a 5-minute speed clean on my office and just get things ready for the week. And then I'm gonna go outside while I watch the kids and kind of tidy up the backyard. There's some random cups and silverware and, you know, just like after a barbecue type of stuff. There's also poop from the dogs, so I want to make sure that I clean it up. The kids help me with this as one of their chores, but I know there's just some ones hidden. Let's get this done and then go outside and finish up out there. hallway, backyard, and the poop. I still need to do the office. I'm going to do this when I get back because we're about to go school supply shopping. And the girls want me to make a whole nother video about that. So I'll see you in the next one.